A good mechanic always puts things back where he found them. I just haven't done it yet. So what does that say about me? But look at the setup. This is legit. Got Tori's ring light. Check out Tori's beauty tribe. Look, I'm sitting in diesel fuel. That's how clean this place is. In my good old lawn chair. Yep, let's go. But look at them junker clunkers. Junker clunkers. Hit the subscribe button. Smash that like button. Each video. Dislike it if you choose, unsubscribe if you want, whatever. You're here, we appreciate it. Just watch the video, put a comment down below on what you like or want to see different next time. But just take the time to enjoy this day. Super grateful, as always. You guys keep being awesome, keep being amazing, and keep influencing the world. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back or to the channel. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas. Today is the day after. Now, we did get something really cool for Christmas. Asher got something awesome from Santa, and I can't wait to show you guys. So this video is actually going to be leading into that, as well as something else I promised you, which involves the trailer and towing. But first, we're going to get to something that involves towing that is a great item to have when you are towing. So let's get right into it today. Today is all about them Boost Mobile.
Knock you around. Boost Mobile gives you the power to fight back with an unlimited.
Is all about them Boost Auto Parts tow mirrors. Now, I bet several of you have seen these advertised, maybe on Instagram, maybe somewhere else, Facebook, etc. And a lot of you have probably bought into them too. So I'm super curious to hear your experiences with Boost Auto Parts. Put it down in the comments below as we go through the video. But thank you all for the continued support as always this journey. Although it's only been a couple months, I feel like we've known each other forever. So thank you for sticking around. Consider subscribing and joining in on the fun. But let's get into it, guys. So first and foremost, tow mirrors. I know they've been a topic of discussion forever. Now, this LML Duramax I got here come with the little T-Rex ones when I first got it. And I cannot believe that anybody would ever want those on their big HD truck. I'm just shocked that they even consider putting them on. Remember in the LLY days when they had the ones that would extend out? These don't even move out. Here, I got them right here. I mean, look at this thing. What is this? What is the point of this? Looks like a small little truck. This doesn't even make sense. This goes on like S10, not a Duramax. I can't fathom it. But anyways, we did rip them off. I do have a couple clips from 2 or 3 years ago when I did change these out. It wasn't very hard. But I'll go ahead and roll that footage now and then we'll talk. Okay, well there you have it. Super easy installation, didn't take long at all. The hardest part was taking the door panel off and getting the seal put back around the door when we got done. Not a bad process though, nonetheless. But yeah, they turned out super sick in my opinion. They should have been like that from the factory. Now, my only bone to pick though is the wiring. Now that I have these on, they still don't retract by themselves. They don't light up at all. I could not figure out the wiring. So, very upset because they gave us all these. Like, what am I going to do with all these wires? I've tried watching a couple different videos on there, on the YouTube, of how to install these wire harnesses, how to tap into the fuse block and everything else. So, super sketchy. Very unhappy that I cannot have lights on these mirrors. Now, in the simplest form, a mirror's a mirror, right? So I do love them. They look good. I can see, and that's the whole purpose. But I do kind of wish they would light up. Now, on their website, you can choose all kinds of different customization. I went through, put in all the options I wanted, and if I wanted them to power fold and stuff like that, it was like an extra $300 or something. So I think these mirrors, I can't remember for sure, but it should be around like $600-700 all the way into the thousands if you want, which is just crazy for a mirror. I figured they'd be a lot cheaper, but again, probably paying for quality. You get what you pay for, so we probably shouldn't complain too much about that. But again, tow mirrors are on, they do not light up, and I need your help. I need a little inspiration, okay? That's what I'm looking for. Inspire me to try it. Say, hey Joe, we know you can do it. It's not that hard. Just do 1, 2, 3, ABC. Tell me how to get these things done, or reference a video. If you've watched a YouTube video that's super helpful, please link that in the comments so I got something to go off of, because I do have some time off work right now, and I'd like to maybe get these running as long as I got your good help, all right? So that's that. So then another thing I wanted to talk about is, what other tow mirrors do you guys? Are you guys like them Dodge fans that put out them tow mirrors when you're driving? I'll be honest, I'm going to show you this picture. This is from way back in the day, and it's just us here, so we're just hanging out, but look at this picture. This was my very first 5.9 Cummins, and I did haul ghost trailers with that thing. Oh, it's hard to admit now, but it looks so good. I don't understand it. So I try not to hate on the Dodge guys that do that, because yes, I was once that guy too, I'll admit. But they should come up with something better for our Dodge friends. Ford and Chevy finally got it figured out, big boxy mirrors, but I'm not sure that Dodge has caught on yet. But what other brands of tow mirrors have you guys tried? And what are some tips and tricks to towing? I know you can pull these out and get extended views, but we are going to be towing with this bad boy, so I really need to have a good set of mirrors. This is my second truck now that's had these. I did buy them for my white one, but I do feel like on my white one, they at least had the ones in the glass that would signal, and I didn't need an extra relay or anything. But for some reason, on these newer trucks, it just didn't work. I mean, I got to tap into it somehow. So yeah, anyways, we can try to figure that out, but I did want to kind of see what your guys' opinion was on these tow mirrors. So one more thing I wanted to bring up, take a look at these. These are 45-degree needle nose pliers, which are super sick. These come in handy for getting the fuel lines off. In the last video, if you checked out how not to change your fuel filter, we're going to take the whole fuel filter assembly off, and we're using these to get those fuel lines, the pinch clamps off, and these things are super helpful. So invest in some of these if you don't have them already. Again, I just want to thank you all for those videos. I have had years worth of footage build up. I know this is a newer channel, but I've been filming for Tori. I've been filming vehicles that I've had. So we got tons of stuff that we can reference back to, and it's going to be a lot of fun on this channel. So please do stick around, and I really cannot wait to show you guys what we got coming next. But today is all about the debate. Put your comments down below on these tow mirrors. Also, how do we wire these damn things? I want to know. I'm for real. You got to be like a certified electrician to plug these things in. What am I going to do with all these? I just want to be able to put my mirrors on and plug them in and make them light up. I don't want to do a bunch of electrical work. What a bad deal. But I get it. No harm, no foul, Boost Auto. I'm still rocking with you guys. But anyways, thank you all for your continued support, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. But see what I mean? They just complement the truck so much better. I just wish these would light up. These are the, I believe they're just the orange ones I put in here, but you can get like the LED switchbacks, the bright white ones. That'd be super sick. But anyways, that's supposed to light up there, and then these supposed to have a reverse light here that I don't have, and then the signals in the glass. There's some LEDs that are supposed to light up right here, and I want that. I really want that. I don't care if they fold or not. Them cheap ones I had, or them factory ones, were wired up to fold in, but these, I understand they're not gonna fold, but at least light up. Come on, I want this to be Christmas. Yeah, let's go.